So we're gonna adjust in the mid back first, okay?
Vamos a empezar en la espalda medias.
Okay.
Deep breath in,
Suspira adentro.
all the way out. Wow. That's a big one.
Oh my god.
Okay, one more time. Deep breath in, all the way out. Perfect. To the side. Relax.
Oh.
Very good. Wow. Relax here. Wow. Whew. Big ones. Awesome. Deep breath in. Very good. One more time. Deep breath in. Just relax.
Oh.
Very good. How'd that feel?
Oh, bien.
Good, good. Deep breath in, all the way out. Wow. That was a good one. Good? Awesome. Deep breath in, all the way out. Wow, big one. How'd that feel? Good? Awesome.